Anthropic, the company behind Claude, quietly put out more than 13 full courses. And here's the part that gets me. Every single one is free, and every single one ends with a certificate. In the next few minutes, you'll get the whole map. What each course actually teaches, which ones are worth your time, and the exact order to take them, whether you've never opened a terminal or you write code every day. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start. One honest note first. I'm not going to hand you the lessons themselves. Those live on Anthropic's own site, completely free. Think of this as your trailer and your prep guide, so when you start, you already know your way around. So what is it? It's called Anthropic Academy. It launched in March 2026 with 13 courses, and the catalog's kept growing ever since, with new tracks landing every few weeks. It's all short video lessons plus hands-on exercises you actually do, fully self-paced, no deadlines, no time limits, so you go as fast or as slow as you want. You don't even need a Claude account to start, just an email. Finish a course and the certificate is yours, ready to drop straight onto LinkedIn where recruiters can actually see it. One heads up before we go further, for now it's all in English. If your technical English is comfortable, you're completely fine. Zoom out, and the whole catalog is really 3 territories. Territory 1 is AI fluency. This is how to think with AI, built on a simple framework called the 4 E's: effective, efficient, ethical, and safe. It's less about which button to press and more about judgment, when to trust the model and when not to. Territory 2 is Claude itself, the 101 course that gets you fluent in the ecosystem, and Cowork, where you actually work side by side with Claude on your real files. And Territory 3 is the deep end, the developer track, the API, Claude Code, MCP, and agent skills, each one building on the last. Your job isn't to take everything, it's to pick the right door. Door 1, you're not technical, 3 stops, 4 to 6 hours total, start to certificate. Stop 1, Claude 101. You learn the ecosystem and how to actually get reliable answers instead of coin flip results. Most of the time, the difference is simply how clearly you frame the request. Stop 2, AI fluency, and this is the thinking course. Which tasks to hand to AI, like drafting, summarizing, or first pass research, and which decisions stay human. Honestly, the most underrated hours in the whole catalog. Stop 3, Claude Cowork, hands-on with your real files and documents. Think cleaning up a messy spreadsheet or turning a pile of notes into a finished doc. Walk this path, and you're already ahead of 90% of people using AI at work. Door 2, you write code. 5 stops, 15 to 20 hours, and the payoff compounds the further you go. Claude 101 first. Yes, even for you. It's short, and it sets the shared vocabulary everything else builds on. Then, building with the Claude API authentication, your first calls, all the way up to real agent architecture, the kind that could, say, triage your support tickets while you sleep. Then the heart of it, Claude Code in Action. This is where the agentic loop clicks. Claude reads your codebase, plans the change, edits the files, runs the commands, then checks its own results and fixes them when they fail. And the official workflow you'll actually keep, explore, plan, code, commit. Let it explore the code first, make it plan before it touches a thing, then it writes the code and locks the win. Plus the unglamorous stuff that genuinely saves you. Context management /compact and /clear to keep it focused, and permissions so it never runs something you didn't approve. Then intro to MCP, connecting Claude to your external tools, your database, your issue tracker, and its advanced SQL for production patterns. Now, the course almost everyone skips, Agent Skills, and it's the one that quietly changes how Claude code feels. A skill is a single markdown file, SKILL.md, with 3 parts, a name, a trigger that tells Claude when to use it, and the instructions. For example, whenever you write a commit message, follow this exact format. From then on, Claude applies it automatically at exactly the right moment without you ever repeating yourself. Build 1 per project, and Claude stops being a generic assistant and becomes your specialist. It already knows your conventions, your stack, and your rules. I'm not theorizing here. My entire video production pipeline runs on these files. It's the highest return per hour in the whole catalog. Real talk on difficulty. If you've never opened a terminal, expect 1 honest weekend of friction. The courses assume you can navigate folders and run a command, and that, not the AI part, is the real barrier. So prep 3 things: install node.js, sort your access, a subscription or an API key, and bring a real project to practice on, not a toy. You learn 10 times faster on something you actually care about. If you already write code, none of this is hard. The real value isn't syntax, it's structure and habits that stick. Either way, it's free, it's self-paced, and every course you finish prints a certificate. So here's your move. Not technical? Start Claude 101 tonight. It's the shortest on-ramp, and you'll feel the difference by tomorrow. Writing code? Same start. Then go straight down the deep end path, 1 stop at a time. All the official links are in the description, every course completely free. If this map saved you a few hours, subscribing genuinely helps me make more like it. And tell me below, which path are you taking and which course looks most interesting? See you in the next one.